Hi everyone, I'm Colleen and this is Nate. We're Navigate with Colleen and Nate, where we share our travel adventures. We are a couple who love to travel, explore new places, and have fun along the way. Join us as we show you the best spots, where to eat, and tips and tricks for your next vacation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to navigate your world.
Good morning, Navigator. So it is our first sea day on Virgin Scarlet Lady. So what better way to spend our day at sea is let's get some tattoos. So as you saw last evening, we made our reservation and we are about 10 minutes away from making our way down to Squid Ink, but we're gonna touch up some tattoos. We're gonna add to some tattoos, so stay tuned to see what our final results are.
So on our way to get tattoos, and I always feel like I'm forgetting my ship card, because again, Virgin has these amazing little bracelets, which are convenient, except I did just break Colleen's bracelet because I'm a bit of a bull in a...
He's my bull in a China shop.
I'm the bull. Unfortunately, we'll have to get another one of those for her lately, but so far a great trip. If you saw in last night's video, sail away party at night, a big difference from our last sail away. 10 out of 10. Would you say it was 10 out of 10 energy?
Absolutely. High energy. I can't believe what New Year's Eve is going to be like.
Yeah, so, and these people are, we're running a little Facebook group right now too. Yeah, people are very excited to be on this voyage, so we'll have to see what awaits us. All right, elevator's here. Let's go. Minutes here before opening time, so we're just gonna poke into the Virgin thing. I think I need a new hat because my other hat got a little ruined, so we're gonna have to find a new hat today. That one? No? I don't like that one. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a black and white hat, but kind of like the red hat that they have. It's more like trucker style and it's soft. So you can tell I'm wearing Nate's hat right now.
Yes, she stole the Navigator hat, limited edition collection.
So need something to cover up the beach hair right now.
I'm gonna hold off on souvenirs for the moment. Get ready to get some tattoos here. It looks like people are already lining up, trying to make an appointment, so we'll see. I'm gonna guess that they probably sold out or booked out last night.
So your address is daily. You know how it works.
Yep.
Kind of
Colleen's still getting her tattoo done. I'm just kind of walking around stretching my legs. I was selling tattoos for a while. A lot of people coming into the shop just asking about experience. I would say if you're on board Virgin, definitely get a tattoo. But one of the things too for New Year's, this is kind of cool, you can pre-order your bubbles. So I guess they anticipate that it's going to be very busy. One other thing to think about though, coming on a Virgin voyage, is you can bring 2 bottles of wine or champagne on board. So that could be an alternative, save you a few bucks. We're gonna keep an eye on our bar tab. We had a pretty good bar tab that was included with this voyage because we booked it a while back. But we are kind of burning through it a little bit quicker. So prices have gone up, I would say, slightly on board. But again, for New Year's, if you're looking to order some champagne, there you go. All right, and they got some examples down here. All right, we're gonna go check in on Colleen.
Navigators, just checking in to see if you're loving this vlog. But did you also know that both Nate and I are actually travel agents? So scan the QR code right here to sign up for our weekly travel deals. And when you're ready to book, go to cruiseplanners.southflorida.com. Our services never cost you anything extra and we often have extra perks. Now back to the video.
I like the sugar
It looks great. It's fantastic. There we go. Reaction shot. Here she comes. All right.
Bam!
Bam. What's the verdict here?
Look at that color.
All right, there we go. go. Oh, that is awesome.
It's really, really nice.
Yeah,
Very
you're happy with it?
Yes.
You're happy you did it?
Yes, I
Again?
am. Yes.
El segundo.
I think it's good or it's a little small?
No, I think it's a good size.
I think it's good,
Yeah, I
no?
think once you have all the color in there and everything.
The color is the similar than this.
Yeah.
Is the
red, like the cherry
red,
sailor
the
red.
green,
Yeah.
and the yellow.
Yeah. Signing my life away.
Ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it. We've been just working on where everything's going to go. This is a little bit more complicated than my last one. And it's going to be a little bit longer too. So we're looking at 3 to 3.5 hours. Me and the tattoo artist are all going to become good friends by the end of it. Or they'll want to kick me out because they'll be like, you're kind of annoying. Stay tuned. You have to find out.
That we can help you out on changing it or
So that does it for our next installment at Squid Ink. So I think Colleen's resting somewhere. I'm gonna get some food because I'm absolutely famished, but we do have, I think Italian tonight. No, Razzle Dazzle tonight. We're gonna go check out the new menu tonight. So only got a few hours to that, so I can't ruin my dinner. But been sitting for about 3 hours. So I need some food, I need some water, I need a restroom, and then I need to go find Colleen. So keep it right there. Just had some lovely breakfast for lunch at the galley. Fun fact, the galley, so they don't have a buffet on Virgin. If you go on board though, you don't have to wait in line. You can sit at a table and have a little flag that you put up. You put that flag up, someone comes over and brings you some delicious food. I had a lovely omelet and some sausage for breakfast, for lunch. But anyways, I texted Colleen a while ago. I have no idea where she is, so I'm gonna go back to the room and see if I can figure out what she's gotten up to. So let's see if we can find her. Colleen? Colleen? Are you in here? Colleen? Colleen? Hi. Hi. Are you awake over there? What are you doing?
Sorry.
I texted you a while ago.
Oh, I'm sorry. I completely fell asleep.
Colleen sleeping on the job, didn't even stay around to see me get my tattoo. But anyways, we are going to, where are we going tonight? Razzle Dazzle. Razzle Dazzle. I think I already mentioned that in the video once, but they have a new menu, Lucky Lotus by Razzle Dazzle. So we're gonna check that out. But I think Colleen's gonna get up and start getting ready. Hello over there. And then we're gonna go take you along. So keep it right there. I'm gonna check out the new menu at Razzle Dazzle. Lucky Lotus, the new menu at Razzle Dazzle by Lucky Lotus. Say that 5 times fast. Later, navigators.
Well, good evening, navigators. So we are all ready and we're gonna go check out the very new Lucky Lotus at Razzle Dazzle. If you saw the version before, you're probably familiar with Razzle Dazzle, but this is actually a new menu and a subset of Razzle Dazzle. So we're gonna go check out Lucky Lotus now, take you along for the ride, and let's go eat.
Just a really interesting situation just happened. So we came over, there was this big sign lit up that said Splash for Your Bash, which is like an add-on that you can get, you know, when you book with Virgin, right? You get a bottle of champagne, you get a party at a restaurant for up to, I think, like 4 of your friends. But they were adamant. They were like, no, you got the Splash for the Bash. And I'm like, I didn't. So I'm just thinking, like, did someone send us this? Did someone? And they went and checked and finally figured out it was some miscommunication, but we did end up, even though we didn't get the Splash for the Bash, we did end up with this lovely souvenir photo here. So again, funny little situation here, but we're gonna start looking at this menu because it looks absolutely amazing. It smells absolutely amazing in here, and we can't wait to try out this new experience here at Razzle Dazzle.
Right, so our waiter gave us a fantastic rundown of the main menu and gave some chef recommendations. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to get quite a few different little appetizers to split and share. We're eyeing out the sea bass for the main entree, and it says it's shareable for 2. So we're going to take a quick ask of the waiter, find out if that is in fact the case. If so, I think we're going to go with that. And then he recommends a rice or a noodle to go with it because the main entree is going to be just your protein. So if you're going to get steak, it's going to be just steak.
So I think what we're gonna do for starters is the Peking duck bao bun. We're gonna try the honey sriracha sticky ribs and the pan roasted vegetable dumplings, followed by the blossoming sweet and sour fish, which is the sea bass main entree. Rice and noodles, I think we're gonna try the pineapple shrimp fried rice. And we'll see from there.
Thanks. How's this look?
It looks delicious.
Where are you
I
going to
feel
start?
like it's I don't know. That's what I'm kind of eyeing. I think the bao buns look pretty delicious. They're kind of calling my name right now. So I think we have to dig in.
Just had the spare ribs, the ribs.
Honey sriracha.
Honey sriracha ribs. My mouth, it's burning, but like a good burn. Like a good sweet burn. They're super crispy, super delicious, super flavorful. Taste explosion in my mouth. Just amazing. So highly recommend calling.
Bao buns are delicious. You know, it's not a ton of flavor, so if you're looking for something that's not maybe spicy, I'd highly recommend this. Just delicious, simple flavors. Very good though.
Just tried those dumplings. They're absolutely amazing. Like crispy on the top, chewy on the bottom. A lot of flavor. It's really, really good. Everything so far is really excellent. So I'm thinking this is now maybe my new favorite restaurant on Virgin. So we'll have to see. So got a little surprise coming up next to show y'all. Colin's especially excited about this next entree that we're gonna have. So looking forward to it. But yeah, just really super tasty. Colin, what do you think of the dumpling? What do you think of those dumplings?
Well, my nose is still running from the honey sriracha ribs, which were fantastic, don't get me wrong. Maybe on the higher end of the heat level, so if you're not really into spicy, probably avoid it, but they're phenomenal. But these egg dumplings, I think or vegetable dumplings, are fantastic. So good, crunchy inside, not like overcooked or soggy, fantastic.
So we got the lowdown here. So we got some questions ahead of time, like is Razzle Dazzle like the vegetarian restaurant kind of sunset? The answer is on Scarlet Lady, yes, it is. Lucky Lotus is replacing, well, it doesn't replace Razzle Dazzle. There's still the brunch part of Razzle Dazzle, but that kind of vegetarian forward vegan meal is done here. So the main thing is it just wasn't very popular. So they were only having about 100 to maybe 200 covers a night, whereas a restaurant like The Wake was having like over 400. So to try to spread out the crowds a bit more, they needed to switch up the menu. So now they're doing more like 350 to even up to 400 covers a night, which is pretty good. It's a very busy restaurant if you've ever worked in the restaurant business. And I have to say, it's a very welcome change here on Scarlet Lady. So I would expect we'll probably see this go out to the rest of the fleet. So sorry, vegans, vegetarians, there are plenty of vegan, vegetarian options on the menu though, and at all the restaurants. So if you are vegan or you're vegetarian, you're still gonna have plenty of things to choose from on Virgin Voyages. But again, very delicious. So Virgin Voyages product team, A+ to you. Colleen, why did you murder me? I had such a long life ahead of me.
When I heard there was a head involved, I was bailing quickly. And he's like, no, we're going to do it. We're going to do it.
So what do you think, though?
I mean, it looks good. It looks respectfully done. Like the tail's kind of off on the end and the head's detached. It's just for show. So, I mean, it looks very nice.
Colleen,
but I see teeth. I see teeth on the head.
Yeah, are you going to eat the eyeball?
No.
All right, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
All right, Colleen, first impressions?
Everything's actually really, really delicious. The sea bass, don't be scared by it. It's actually nicely prepared. They're actually already kind of pre-cut pieces of fish that you just kind of take with your fork. You're not having to deal with bones. Although Nate had one little bone, but it's a fish. You're going to possibly run into that. The pineapple fried rice, fantastic. I've not tried Nate's noodles, but I'm eyeing it, and I think there may be a forkful in my future.
Yeah, I concur with Colleen. Everything's really, really good. I would say that the noodles are huge. I asked for a small portion, so if that's the small portion, it's still really big. So I would say maybe if you're just like a noodle person, just get the noodles, don't get anything else, because it's a big bowl of ramen and that would fill you up. Maybe do the rice, which is a nice small portion which you can share with someone else. But definitely we have way too much food here. Delicious meal. We still have dessert coming, which looks amazing. Oh, Colin's making noise over there. A little different take for Virgin Voyages. Usually they have pretty reasonably sized portions, but the fish definitely for 2 people. Don't get your own fish. But yeah, other than that, everything is really delicious. Probably like the best Chinese restaurant I've ever been to, ever. So that says a lot, because they eat a lot of Chinese food.
It's like a ragoon.
So what's that you got? Fried, it's like a crab ragoon, but not crab ragoon.
Exactly, it's a desserty one filled with ricotta. It's very good. It's got a little powdered sugar on top. Not really tasting a ton of the filling, but it's fried, powdered sugar, and it's got like some sweetness. It's really good.
Then I got the egg custard, which is really good. It's not like a sweet dessert. So if you're kind of like a cheesecake fan, I think you'd like this. It has a little bit of vanilla flavor, but very mild, not very sweet, which I like. I don't like super sweet dessert. Well, I should say that, but I like super sweet chocolates. Anyways, that's gonna do it for us tonight. I don't know, Colleen, what would you give this place? Actually, it takes a big mouthful. Thumbs up. 10 out of 10? 10 out of 10.
Very good.
10 out of 10. You sure? All right. So you have it there from Colleen. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for me. Great day at sea. Didn't do a whole lot today, except we got some tattoos. Enjoyed a little lunch up at the galley. And tonight we're gonna go out and have some fun. There's a whole bunch of stuff. I have to say, much more entertainment options now on Scarlet Lady than the last time we were here, so that's a nice welcome change. But that's going to do it for us. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, smash that like button, and hit subscribe. Until we see you again, remember to
Navigate your world.
navigate your world. Later.